Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize FBAR preparation guidance with FinCEN, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize FBAR preparation guidance with FinCEN, start by visiting the official FinCEN website. Locate the FBAR or BSA e-filings section on the homepage. Click on the link that leads to the BSA e-filing system. You will need to create a user account if you don't already have one. Fill out the registration form with your personal and business information. Ensure all data entered is accurate to avoid issues later. After submitting the registration form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Log in to the BSA e-filing system using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section for FBAR filing. Locate the option for Authorize a Preparer. Fill in the required details about the preparer you wish to authorize. Ensure you provide accurate information, including the preparer's name and email address. Review the authorization details for any errors. Once confirmed, submit the authorization request. Your preparer will receive an email notification regarding the authorization. They must accept the authorization request to proceed. Make sure to track the status of the authorization within your account. If there are any issues, refer to the FAQs or contact FinCEN support for assistance. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your FBAR preparation guidance is properly authorized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.